Hola, hola, soy Tomás, your favorite Spanish teacher.
And what are we learning today?
Something you need whenever you learn a new language, especially Spanish. The comparative and superlative forms.
Pero primero,
If you're not subscribed to the channel, then...
suscríbete.
Suscríbete!
Subscribe.
So you can be updated when I release new content.
And follow us on Instagram as Tomás der Profe.
For extra content.
Empecemos. When do I need to use the comparative form in Spanish?
When you are comparing two or more things with each other.
Duh.
Here I will focus on 2 degrees of comparison. Comparative and superlative.
What?
Don't worry, I'll make it easy. Let's start with comparative.
Pedro es más inteligente que Francisco. Pedro es más inteligente que Francisco.
Here I'm comparing Pedro and Francisco with each other and saying that Pedro is smarter than Francisco.
Okay, so this is like in English when you say faster than, prettier than, slower than.
Exacto. Or when you use more plus an adjective or an adverb plus than in English. Like, Ricardo is more reliable than Tim. More than.
Ricardo es más fiable que Tim. Ricardo es más fiable que Tim.
But in Spanish we always use más plus an adjective or an adverb plus que. Más rápido que, más lento que, más guapo que.
Soy más guapo que tú. Soy más guapo que tú.
I knew you were gonna say something stupid like that.
So you only use más que in Spanish?
Yes.
Always?
Yes. Well, you know, there are always exceptions. With these 4 adjectives, one uses a instead of que. Inferior a, superior a, anterior a, posterior a.
Yo soy superior a ti. Yo soy superior a ti.
The superlative is the highest comparative form.
It's like the most or the least whatever in English. The most, the least, whatever in English.
Correcto. In Spanish you form the superlative with el más, la más, los más, las más.
That's when you mean the most.
And it all depends if you talk about a feminine or a masculine noun or in plural. El menos, la menos, los menos, las menos.
When you mean the least.
Por ejemplo,
Pedro es el más inteligente. Pedro es el más inteligente.
here I only need one noun because I'm not comparing Pedro to anyone else.
Ricardo es el más fiable. Ricardo es el más fiable.
No Ricardo.
María es la más rápida. Rosa es la más trabajadora.
And when you want to express that someone is the least,
Ricardo es el menos inteligente. Rosa es la menos simpática.
ojo,
Ojo!
something important that I want to point out is that some adjectives have an irregular comparative form.
I knew this was too easy.
Hey, I said I will make it easy. Bueno, mejor, el mejor. Here you don't say más bueno, but instead mejor. And normally you wouldn't say el más bueno, but el mejor.
Oh, it's like in English. Good, better, the best.
Exactly. Very easy.
And the other exceptions?
Malo, peor, el peor. Poco, menos, there's no superlative here. Mucho, más, there is no superlative here either.
Okay, like bad, worse, the worst. And the last ones are
Grande, mayor, el mayor, pequeño, menor, el menor.
Esta es la mejor lección de español. Esta es la mejor lección de español.
Eso es todo por hoy.
Since you're already on your phone, just go to Instagram and follow us. Tomás der Profe.
Muchas gracias.
Y suscríbete.
Adiós.